Hello and welcome back to the B1 series on legal management. Today I would like to elaborate a little bit around the term sourcing. Well, legal sourcing, of course. And to understand why this is important for you, I would like to stress out something at the very beginning. When we talk about legal sourcing, the one and only perspective relevant for this is the customer. And to make it clear, the customer is not the legal department. The customer is a company, in this case to better understand it. So, when the company has a legal problem, what kind of options does a CEO, or let's take the CFO, who has to spend the money at the end, has at the end to buy and procure these legal services which are relevant for the company? Well, in particular, you have as always two options. One is you have the option to do it yourself. Establish a legal department, just develop it, maybe it grows and goes on, so you do it yourself, and in this connection we talk often about the term make. So the company makes the service just itself. Or the second option is then the company decides, for whatever reasons, maybe because of resource issues or because it's a critical topic, to go outside and buy the service. And buy means they can go out and buy it from a law firm or any other legal service providers which are out there. So you see already there is a competition between legal departments and also outside providers. Why I wanted to stress out that the customer's view is important, because at the end, for the customer, it only counts to have the right legal procurement delivered into the company. Well, let's move on. Companies have, of course, different options also in terms of geography. They can decide maybe to make use of labor arbitrage advantages. So they can procure the service on site or onshoring, we call it, or nearshoring when it's just in countries which are close to yours, or they go really far away and then we talk about offshoring. But it's not the end of the story, because now we have also a next option, which is from a geography point of view actually dependent on nothing else anymore, because we talk about online services. And there companies can start to just, let's call it, Google in the internet, ask other ones. So law firms, but also in-house counsel can just search in the internet, contact on groups and say and ask, do you have had this problem already? Do you have templates for that? What do you mean? Or you go and just simply download products which are already available in the market and online, sometimes even for free. Now you see, as a legal service provider, that when you take the view of a customer, this may change your service delivery model, because you have to understand that the customer has many options to choose when it comes to solve a legal problem in the company. I hope this was helpful for you now to understand why it is important to understand the customer's view on legal sourcing. If you like this video, check also the other ones. Simply subscribe on YouTube for more. And if you want to leave a comment, thanks in advance for sharing. I look forward to seeing you again, and don't forget, stay tuned on the Legal Management channel.